All right, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, and we're very, very excited. Very, very, I tell you. We're not going to tell you why. Or you go find out why. Which one? Any which way, and we don't come again on top of your regular, wonderful, sploofic show, Talk, and all of us complete inside here. Even though, say, Amaka, we send her go buy some kind of puff because we need to eat them. But very soon she will join us for inside the studio. And we get one casual guest inside the studio today and to celebrate today with us, and you go see him when you reach time for him to don't cover himself. But my name is Informate Uvi Ehikiamusoya. Welcome to Talk. The ladies them going to don't cover themselves, plus including the guests where we get inside the studio.
Okay, so that time where we say we they'll meet our hailings, you don't come again. When she dey vex with us, she could decide say she don't want to hail us for that day. Anyway, my name is Pt.1 and welcome to Talk.
And you look so beautiful. Diva mood activated. All right, our wonderful guest going to talk about himself.
So, Mr. Man, do wetin?
Solidstar. They don't see her already. No need for introduction. No need for introduction.
Okay, my name, I'm the guy with the culture show 9 years old, and I day here with my ladies them for Talk.
Yeah. All right, so my people that do my own stand attention. Yes, Queen B in the building. Queen B of Balu.
And our wonderful producer where they handle the camera, say make we finish Solidstar today. Say make we make sure say before Solidstar come up for here, his leg don't break.
No, but his leg go break.
His leg go break
because he don't post us.
I tell you.
No, take a miss.
He don't post us.
No be my fault.
You know, say I no talk
I don't beg you before we start.
No, you don't beg me. You know, say me and you we no talk sense.
Okay, no wonder. I just say, just want to talk to me. I tell your face, just
give you silent mood.
No vex. For camera now, they beg you, no vex.
No, you need to need that beggar. No, need that beggar because we don't tell the people say Solidstar is coming, Solidstar will do us this.
The first time traffic hold am. The second time election hold am.
No, but you know, sir, I don't really come here where nothing happen. I don't dare now. They say they wait for one person. I don't want to mention the person's name. They say they wait for that person before interview go start. So I was like, why this person go? And that person don't really get that level. You understand? So there's no shaking. I said, okay, we'll postpone them. But don't postpone and reach today now. I hear with this.
Now you flog us came reach.
I tell you, for another person offense, now you can't give us.
No, now. Me at the hustle now, at the street since now.
We know.
You don't understand.
So we there road.
I tell you. We don't come back inside air condition.
We don't come back inside studio now.
Oh, now they enjoy life for you. You see the hustle for outside there. Don't be smart.
No, tell us. See, hustle they different. Everybody pack dustbin. You get the people wait from 5 o'clock, they don't wake up the day for market. You get the ones who they use biro and paper there. You say something?
You get people where they produce the dustbin where others they park.
I tell you.
And Joshua and a part of people where they produce dustbin for others to park.
What do you mean?
Okay, why would they decide between
so all the song where they drop now dustbin, now they call
you didn't write up on paper now.
No, not even the song that they talk about. I mean, say some people don't need to do anything. They go just they groove.
Yeah.
Other people go they help them. They cover the
okay, now you are talking. Now you are talking.
So but you know they're among those people.
We know say you they hard working. You they sleep for studio all the time.
Studio. Apart from studio itself, I know we'll let you know how they go, but don't worry.
But we go find out.
We'll join you.
All right. Solidstar, we will actually find out that thing where they do, where they take your time, where make you not come talk when we invite you. But before we find out, yes, for 2 months.
I get my facts.
You don't reach 2 months.
Yes, 2 months.
No, they just pass me. No, we say hello, just pass.
No, be you do me.
Why will they keep the conversation? Why will we go handle your case later? We never handle them yet.
No, we are friends. What are friends
Friends,
for?
care.
What are friends for?
To inconvenience each other, not to inconvenience us.
Friends.
But before we handle Solidstar case, yes, Solidstar is in our midst today. We're going to need to take our celebrity totori of the day. Every Friday, it's a celebrity totori day. So make we know who this person be.
Our celebrity totori for today na Derele Olufemi Edun. Dem born Derele on the 13th of June 1983 and in na TV presenter and person wey dey into entertainment. Im papa na Yoruba man and im mama na Indian Mauritius and na for Obodo Germany, Hamburg, na dem born am. Derele Indian name na Rajiv Raja and im get 2 sisters. Im bin spend first 5 years of im life for Obodo Germany and after that im come join im family for Lagos. He be attend high school for Federal Government College Ijaniki before he cross go St. Gregory College Ikoyi, Lagos, where he study English education for university, and for Lagos, he been plan to study law. They get him first modeling job when he be 5 years old for Germany. He first show face for NTA when he doing Kidivision 101 at the age of 11. When he see the university, he be the model. He done model for plenty people, as he does start to present inside television now. Everybody know Derele for a daring, unique punk fun style when they make so popular for Nigeria society. You no get anybody will fit compete with them. Derele na the best friend of the late Nigeria female singer Goldie Harvey, wey die on Valentine's Day for inside 2013. Derele also na writer and he love to read and hopes so one day he go get his own book. He come out here and say he go so marry, but nobody know anything about the woman we won't marry. We hope so one day we go get to know who this woman be. Well, on Top Talk, we dey celebrate Derele Edun. Well done, Derele.
Wow, Derele, as in wonderful, wonderful person. I like the fact say he appreciates the kind way they dress. That's the ultimate.
See,
Well, you got appreciate that he choose am by himself now.
You must get confidence. If you see when Derele start all through those Kidivision time, we go wear hair and all that. Yes, when he starts with all those wear things for his head, then later I come move to clothes. You get one time where any clothes where they really wear, go get like 5,000 buttons inside.
You can imagine.
Then later I come move to pin. They wear like they imagine how they enter bank with that dressing button. It be like say no be all the time they dress like that. Because if you actually see Derele on a normal day without so you know go believe same and him.
Not the same person.
What if one day he surprise us?
So you must keep the standard.
No. Recently, he do one video shoot where he say actually they normal. Like open eye, they look say Jesus. Now they really be this because he look very, very decent and everything. Not to say, not be say indecent, but at the same time, no, he wear native kaftan. He pack he dada go back. He dey very normal. He can't be like say cutting hair. Wear normal shoe. I bow. I say everything happen. Now the rumor where they carry come and say they prepare to marry. Now that time that photo shoot.
Oh, okay. Make I shock you. You get one video photo shoot where you do for Ghana Bridal Magazine. He wear wedding dress. I actually flipped through past. The person who asked me, you know who this person be now saying, say check the mail. Okay, I see Derele. They try to look for him inside the magazine.
Maybe they hide them.
No, instead of him and they look. And the person saying that Derele. Then they can't do behind the scene pictures when they make them up. I was like, oh God.
Another thing with Derele be say that shoe. When they wear, no female don't ever try to wear that shoe successfully, and this now man where they wear that shoe.
And then you go raise the leg, go up, reach your head. That thing is just so epic. I say they do I really know.
Wonderful personality, Derele.
And we don't tell you, say, for that wedding, we need to take the front seat.
Oh, yes.
We're not saying a special invitation. So we need our special invitation.
Okay, for the really wedding, right?
Yeah.
You know, to appease
But
the
not
gods.
dress well, I just know.
No, if they really they marry, just make it know say me I go wear suit, complete suit with monkey jacket inside.
Okay, which one be monkey jacket?
Monkey jacket, I'll dress as man.
No, I'll dress one of the dress we don't trend about them.
What if you can't give dress code for the wedding? Say everybody must dress as a dress.
Beautiful. No,
I don't
I think they dress.
Big,
Everybody go break like that day.
Man and woman, everybody go wear that big shoe.
Solidstar, I know say you don't go epic, daddy.
I shall miss the wedding.
When I carpet, I go knock my shoe very high.
How many of you know say they really get Indian name? Now this thing, I'm making
Yeah.
realize
It always
they
they talk and Rajiv, Raja. It always they talk when they introduce themselves. Say, okay, Rajiv. Now they wonder, say, where he get this name from? Now recently I found out, say, now actually in real name, Indian name.
Real name.
Maybe in the worship for.
No, your mama na
No,
Indian.
Mama na, they give that to her for Germany.
Your mama na
Weird.
Indian.
Oh.
Rajiv, Raja.
Rajiv. Yeah.
All right, see where the madness complete.
You know.
All right, David, we actually appreciate you, and we are waiting for our invitation. You need to appease the gods first of all.
Yes.
David, you know what
know
we
your
talk
offense.
about. You know your offense. All right, so make we enter inside our cocos. We get plenty cocos of the day today, plenty discussion topics. And since Solidstar Day for here, Ingo Chook mouth inside every.
No shaking.
Now, number one, we were asking you, all of us here.
All of them together.
Okay, we'll ask you one by one.
If you get opportunity for you to go back time to a particular time for your life where you love, like say tomorrow or day, which time it will be and why?
It will be those times where I spend with my late grandmom for AJCT that year. You know, because those times are solid time. You understand? I mean, our favorite grandson, which they used to play. So, man, then they pet me like say tomorrow, you touch me, you see fire. You know, so at that time, yeah.
So now if we touch you, nothing they happen. If we even beat you,
No. Achievers go find you.
Achievers
go find you.
Oga leave level will be achievers.
Achievers have the pet me like my grandmama too.
Hold him viral with your right hand.
Okay, for me actually, to go back in time where it be say it go sweet my belly. Actually, I go say two different times where it be say I really wish I feel bring back. First of all, now times with my papa, my late papa, God rest your soul. Throughout, even though, in fact, the time when my papa they alive, you know, get waiting, you won't tell me. All I need to now to get confirmation from him. If you come outside, tell me, say, oh, you war. Once I go inside, I say, Daddy, I war. If you say no, come back, come tell me I war again. I go give you standard reply because I don't get confidence. Say, okay, my papa tell me say I fine. Nobody if you tell me say I no fine. So I really miss him. And then my secondary school days, I really miss those days.
You rock those days, have you?
I know rock them all, but you know those days where you say you no get worries, no bills to pay, no worries. Say one mumu boy they toast you, you break your heart. But now. Person lie, they're not telling us when you grow up now, these kind of things you go they face. They just say, grow up, no worry, you go like them. But now, you know, easy.
Well, for me, I wish those days for KD, where all of us they live as one, no difference, no Christian, no Muslim. We they go Muslim wedding, they come Christian wedding. We they go mosques on Fridays. Go for school, because for secondary school, boarding school now, there are mosques they inside close to chapel. So sometimes during fasting, though, where they give them food, we follow them eat and all that. So I wish we go back to that time because that time they're very, very important for my life, because not one time where I actually know if you bring back for my life. Again.
All right, you wait there, tell us what you think. If you get the opportunity to go back time, which time you go and why? Enter Twitter at Wazobia. We go come back after this break with plenty better mates. Not go anywhere.